Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place.
Good day. Let me begin with something simple today from my rune book, the 18 Sacred Runes from Odin's Havamal. Grasp them. Every journey has a first step, and our Manen Futhark is the first step, Fa. And Fa is not always gentle, it is not soft, it is ignition, it is the primordial spark that makes things happen. This rune Fa marks the true beginning of our journey. The rune Fa is the inner fire that signals your awakening as a conscious co-creator of your reality. Not a passive observer, not a victim of circumstances, not a reactor to the noise of the world, but a co-creator. Fa is the ignition of the soul's will. It is the radiance of presence. It is the root of personal magnetism. And I want you to feel that word, magnetism. When someone walks into a room and you feel them before they speak, that is the rune Fa at work. Presence, fire, alignment. Now, let's go a little bit deeper. In the Havamal, we hear Odin say, "I know myself hanging on the wind-call tree for 9 icy nights." That is not just poetry, that is the key to Fa. Odin hanging on the wind-call tree is not just myth, it is a mirror to look into. It is the archetype of our initiation, the journey into the runes, the journey into the rune of Fa is a journey into knowing yourself. And self-knowledge is not a casual act. It is not a motivational quote. It is fire. It burns inside you. Fa is a flame that burns through illusion, through social conditioning, through learned responses, through inherited dogma. When you begin rune work, you are not collecting symbols. You are stepping into the trail itself. Let's look at the word hanging. Hanging speaks of sacrifice, discomfort, chosen suffering. Rune work requires effort. It is not the theoretical spirituality that you must know and learn. The magic lies in doing. You cannot read about Fa and expect transformation. You must live it. To hang is to suspend yourself, to release your grip on certainty, to allow the winds of the unseen to move through you. That is often uncomfortable, and that is also necessary. Now, the wind is breath. The wind is subtle force. To hang in the wind means exposing your mind to the truth. Absolute honesty with yourself. No excuses, no need for performance, just you. Seeing yourself clearly as you are. It is looking at your faults, your biases, your unclaimed power without flinching. And that takes fire. Fa is that fire. And then 9 nights. 9 is completion, a full cycle. This is not a weekend workshop, it is a lifelong path. The rune Fa reminds us that initiation is not free from struggle. The icy nights will come. Hardship, grief, chaos. That is life. The runes will not remove difficulty from your life, but I will shape you into someone who endures it differently. Someone who overcomes. Someone who draws strength from depth instead of seeking comfort on the surface. This is why The rune Fa is sovereignty. Sovereignty of self does not mean domination. It means an inner authority and an inner knowing. It means standing in your own fire. It means saying, I know myself, and meaning it. In the Anglo-Saxon rune poem, wealth is described as both comfort and conflict. And that is interesting, because Fa is often translated as cattle, wealth, movable property. But the deeper wealth of Fa is not material, it's not money, it's not assets, it's not investments. It is vitality, presence and will, and then the others will follow. It's that radiance that attracts opportunity and influence and momentum. That is the magnetism I am speaking about. Not manipulation of others, not a domination of others, but alignment with your true self. So, if you want to work with the rune Fa, there's one question to ask yourself. Where am I still asleep? Where am I clinging to old patterns? Where am I avoiding discomfort that would actually awaken me? And then do something, even if it's small, but do it deliberately. Ignite something, start something. Because the rune Fa is not contemplation alone. Fa is the beginning. Odin hung on the tree. He chose his ordeal. And through sacrifice, endurance and courage, the runes were revealed. Fa is the first teaching. The flame of self-knowledge is lit through sacrifice. Endurance and the courage to step beyond the ordinary. And now the question is simple. Are you willing to hang? Are you willing to burn through illusion? And most important, are you willing to begin? Because the rune Fa is already within you. It only awaits for ignition. That is the spark, and this is where the journey truly begins. We will continue this journey through my rune book, the 18 Sacred Runes of Odin's Havamal, in future episodes.
Today's rune conversation gave you insight. Practice it. Share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.